It seems that garlic is good not only for the human body, but also for orchids. Garlic is a very good stimulator for the flowering of the Phalaenopsis orchid. It's enough to prepare a special mixture of garlic, succinic acid or amber, and water for the plant to enjoy a healthy bloom of flowers. You need to dissolve the succinic acid with hot water and use it soon afterwards. Acid water can be kept for up to 3 days. Before you find out the recipe, it's important to know that you must provide the orchid with all the necessary conditions for rapid growth and flowering. The orchid feels good near the window, but not in direct sunlight. It's worth mentioning that it likes to stay in the kitchen because the humidity is higher. Phalaenopsis orchid can bloom several times a year, including in winter. If it's well cared for, its flowers can last for up to 3 months. You will need the following ingredients: 1 liter of water, 3 cloves of garlic, a succinic acid pill, a glass jar. How to prepare the solution. 1. Dissolve the succinic acid pill in hot water. 2. Grind the garlic with a knife and add it to the prepared solution, already cold. 3. Pour the liquid into a jar and keep it for 24 hours. 4. Squeeze the obtained solution and water the orchid with it by sinking the pot into the solution. Do this procedure no more than once a month. Try it and you'll see the results soon. But what are your favorite orchids?